Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Corkor Minimalist Vegan Wallet. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So let's do that by, of course, cutting apart the sticky seal. And of course, flipping open the box lid or flap. And let's go ahead and tip the contents out. And of course, now that the box is emptied, we can go ahead and set that to one side. And let's go ahead and make sure that we spread the contents out neatly so you can see what we've just removed from the box. There we go. Okay, let's start off by first taking a look at this card here. So it's just a simple Corkor card. Let's go ahead and set it to the side and move on to the next card. So there is another card that says it's PETA approved and it is vegan and it's made from Cork, which is eco-friendly and handmade in Portugal. So let's go ahead and find another spot on the tabletop to place this other card. Okay, so there we go, two cards there at the top left hand corner. And moving on to the next item, so we do have what appears to be yet another card here that folds open right here with a thank you message as well as 10% off the next order. So if you guys are quick enough, you can use that 10% off claim code right there. Okay, let's go ahead and set that to the side. And then moving on to this little packet here. So you can see the Corkor Minimalist Vegan Wallet on the inside. Let's go ahead and of course cut it open, just in case there is a message on the inside of this little card packaging here. And there we go, revealing the Corkor Minimalist Vegan Wallet. So this wallet is in the zebra style. Let's set the paper card packaging to the side, perhaps over there. There's a spot for everything. Okay, and let's pop this card out. So shows that that compartment there can be used for the storage of credit cards. And there we go, there is a message on the back of the card, so a congratulations message there. Okay, so just thanking us for the green option here of using or purchasing a wallet made out of cork. So as you can see, this is a cork wallet, so made from a tree part. I'm just going to show you the close-up detail. So this is in the zebra design or style, and you can see those stripes, the vertical stripes, or depending on how you want to handle or view the minimalist vegan wallet. So this is PETA friendly or PETA approved, as well as FSC certified cork that's been used for this wallet here. So this wallet is a front pocket wallet, but I can't see why it can't be used in your back pocket. So it is pretty small, resting it in the palm of my hand there. You can just see the size of the wallet right there. And material wise, it does feel really nice. Really kind of natural, soft feel to it. Almost rubbery, but without that grip there, it is quite smooth to the touch. I'm going to give you that close-up look as to the detail and grain or texture of the Corkor Minimalist Vegan Wallet or slim front pocket wallet. And of course, you can see there is a compartment or slot on the front as well as on the back and in the central compartment as well. So you can see the stitching detail as well right there. Very clearly. And how soft it is, even though there is that zebra striping or striation, the wallet is completely smooth to the touch. So really nice texture there, smooth texture, even though it does appear almost 3D like in pattern. It's completely smooth. So this one is in the zebra design. It's also available in dark brown, natural, as well as black, blue, and red. So plenty of designs or color options to choose from for this Corkor Minimalist Vegan Wallet. So it's completely made out of natural tree material, which is cork. So FSC certified cork. And it is PETA approved, so no animal material at all in this little slim wallet. And we can go ahead and put some cards in it as well. So I do have 5 cards here. And let's see if we can put them in the wallet. So let's go ahead and put them one by one and see what it's like right there, how far or deep in it goes. Okay, so 1 or 2, and that's all the way in. So it does stick out, as you can see, from the edge of the wallet. I'm going to remove the other one so you can see a little bit more clearly as to the kind of fitment of the card in the wallet. And we can of course try it in the central compartment as well. So right there, it does stick out from the top edge right there, you can see. Okay, so nice detailed look right there with a single card inserted in the front as well as the central pocket. Now let's go ahead and pop the other cards in there just to give you an idea as to the capability of this minimalist vegan wallet by Corkor. So right there we have 5 cards inserted in total, so you can see how they fit, and they all sit all the way in and stick out the same distance from the edge of the wallet. Okay, so I'm just going to pop the cards back out again. Just to give you this view again in its completeness right there. So right there you can see made in Portugal tag in the middle or central compartment right there. Okay, so nice. Good look at the Corkor Minimalist Vegan Wallet. So that's the Corkor Minimalist Vegan Wallet. Thanks for watching and happy keeping!